For making the overhead shots, all you need is 4 important things. First of all, find a cloth hanger in your home that you can use, and then find some rubber band. We call this money rubber band. This kind of this 2, 3 or 4 depending on your mobile length, and most importantly find some used book, and also you will need a mobile. Any kinds of mobile will work fine. Now let's see how you can use those stuff to create a overhead shot. First of all, put this rubber band inside your mobile. I will use 2. What this rubber band will do is it will strongly attach your mobile with this hanger, and this will help you to take a stable overhead camera shot. Put it inside, and depending how you are entering the hanger inside the mobile, just make sure that both the hanger and mobile is strongly attached with each other. So we are pretty much done here. Now all you have to do is use some books, increase the height of your phone, and I'll show how we'll put, like, you put some books in the ground and then place the hanger here and put some heavy books on the hanger, so that these upper books will have to be heavy compared to the mobile and the hanger weight. Otherwise this will not be stable and this might be fall off as well. So you will need more books to increase your height. Like you can see some of the books here. I am filming this video also the similar way. So I will share a picture here to the setup, so you can get the overall idea how I have created this video. And to be honest, the stuff I have shown you to make this setup is easily available to all of our house, and it is completely charge free. So I have almost forgot to mention that I have made some overhead shots before, so I will put the video in the I button, so feel free to check out the sample videos as well. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. So before ending the video, I have this suggested product for you guys. This is a tripod mainly built for overhead shot, and you can get this product only at $13.76. So if you guys are interested about this product, I will put the link in the description box. Feel free to check out. Thank you for watching the video.
Awesome. Subscribe now.